Namaste, good evening.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Let's begin. Sit comfortably. Gently close your eyes. Connect with your breath. Visualize Bhagwan Narsimha in front of your eyes. Bring your hands to Namaskara. Let us begin with the opening prayer. Ugram Veeram Mahavishnum Jvalantam Sarvatomukham Nrsimham Bhishanam Bhadram मृत्युर्मृत्युं नमाम्यहम्. Slowly open your eyes. We'll move to shlokas 16, 17 and 18 which we did yesterday. Let us chant together. Surarajya pradaf patu padau me nriharishvaraha सहस्रशीर्षा पुरुषः पातु मे सर्वशस्तनुम् महोग्रः पूर्वतः पातु महावीराग्रजोऽग्नितः महाविष्णुर्दक्षिणे तु महाज्वालस्तु नैऋतौ पश्चिमे पातु सर्वेषु दिशि मे सर्वतोमुखः नृसिंहः पातु वायव्याम् सौम्यां भूषणविग्रहः ईशान्यां पातु भद्रो मे सर्वमङ्गलदायकः संसारभयदः पातु मृत्योर्मृत्युर्नृकेसरी. Let us move on to shloka 20. So from 20 onwards, the Phalashruti, the benefits of chanting this Kavacham are given in detail. So first, idam Nrisimha Kavacham, Prallada, Mukha, Kha Mahaprana, Prallada Mukha, Mandidam, Idam Nrisimha Kavacham, Prallada Mukha Mandidam. Bhakti Manyaha, Bhakti Bha Mahaprana, Bhakti Manyaha Pathen Nityam. So Visarga followed by Pa. Bhakti Manyah Pathen Nityam. Tha Mahaprana Pathen Nityam. Bhakti Manyah Pathen Nityam. Sarva Papaihi. Sarva Papaihi. There is a Visarga here. Again, Pramuchyate. Visarga followed by Pa. So, sarva papaih pramuchyate. Sarva papaih pramuchyate. So, idam, this Nrisimha Kavacham, Prahallada Mukha Manditam. Mukha here in this context refers to the mouth. This was once uttered, chanted, enunciated by Prahallada. It Mukha Manditam, it adorned the mouth of Prahlada. This Narsimha Kavacham, when chanted, Bhakti Manyaha, with devotion, Paten Nityam, one who reads this, chants this Nityam, regularly, often, Sarva Papaihi Pramuchyate. So, all the person who chants this Narsimha Kavacham regularly with devotion, two qualities are important: regular chanting, and whenever we chant with a lot of devotion. So when these two conditions are met, then such a person will be relieved, freed from all the sins. Sarva Papa. Let us chant. Idam Nrisimha Kabacham. Idam Nrisimha Kabacham. Idam Nrisimha Kabacham. Prahladamukhamanditam. 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 Bhaktiman yah pathen nityam. Bhaktiman yah pathen nityam. Bhaktiman yah pathen nityam. Sarva papaih pramuchyate. Sarva papaih pramuchyate. Sarva papaih pramuchyate. First line. Idam Nrisimha Kabacham. Prahallada Mukhamanditam. Idam Nrisimha Kabacham. Prahallada Mukhamanditam. Idam Nrisimha Kabacham. Prahallada Mukhamanditam. Bhaktiman yah pathen nityam. Bhaktiman yah pathen nityam. Sarva papaih pramuchyate. Bhaktiman yah pathen nityam. Sarva papaih pramuchyate. Bhaktiman yah pathen nityam. Sarva papaih pramuchyate. Complete shloka 3 times. Idam Nrisimha Kabacham. Prahlada Mukhamanditam. Bhaktiman yah pathen nityam. Sarva papaih pramuchyate. Idam Nrisimha Kabacham. Prahlada Mukhamanditam. Bhaktiman yah pathen nityam. Sarva papaih pramuchyate. Idam Nrisimha Kabacham. Prahlada Mukhamanditam. Bhaktiman yah pathen nityam. Sarva papaih pramuchyate. Next shloka. Putravan. 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 Dhanavan. Dhanavan. Dha Mahaprana. Putravan. Dhanavan. Loke. Putravan. Dhanavan. Loke. Dirga, dirga, and then ga was also dirga, dirgayu, dirgayu, rupajayate, dirgayu, rupajayate, dirghayu, rupajayate, yam. So it's repeating yam, kamayate kamam. Yam kamayate kamam. Tam, prapnotya, there is a half per here. Prapnotya samshayam. So, a person who chants this Narsimha Kavacham regularly with devotion, first, such a person will be freed from all sins. Second, this person will be blessed with putravan, with children, dhanavan, with wealth. In the loka, in this world, he will be blessed with children and wealth. Also be blessed with dirga ayu, long lifespan. And yam kamayate kamam, whatever this person desires, kamaha, desire, whatever this person desires, tam prapnoti, such a desire will be fulfilled. Prapnoti asamshayam, without any doubt. Samshayam means doubt. So without any doubt, we can conclude that whatever this person desires, those desires will be fulfilled. Let us chant. Putravan dhanavan loke, putravan dhanavan loke, putravan dhanavan loke, dirghayurupajayate, 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 yam kamayate kamam, yam kamayate kamam, yam kamayate kamam, tam prapnotya samshayam, tam prapnotya samshayam, tam prapnotya samshayam. पुत्रवान् धनवान् लोके दीर्घायुरुपजायते, पुत्रवान् धनवान् लोके दीर्घायुरुपजायते, पुत्रवान् धनवान् लोके दीर्घायुरुपजायते, यम कामयते कामं, tam प्राप्नोत्य संशयम्, यम कामयते कामं, tam प्राप्नोत्य संशयम्, यम कामयते कामं, tam प्राप्नोत्य संशयम्. Complete shloka. पुत्रवान् धनवान् लोके दीर्घायुरुपजायते, यम कामयते कामं, tam प्राप्नोत्य संशयम्, पुत्रवान् धनवान् लोके दीर्घायुरुपजायते, यम कामयते कामं, tam प्राप्नोत्य संशयम्, पुत्रवान् धनवान् लोके दीर्घायुरुपजायते, यम कामयते कामं, tam प्राप्नोत्य संशयम्. Next shloka. सर्वत्र jayamapnoti, jayam apnoti, there is a half per here, jayamapnoti, sarvatra jayamapnoti, sarvatra Vijayi bhavet. This E is Dirgha. Vijayi. Vijayi bhavet. Bha Mahaprana. Sarvatra jayamapnoti. Sarvatra vijayi bhavet. Bhum yantariksha. So Bha Mahaprana and Dirgha Bhu. Bhum yantariksha. Bhum yantariksha. Divyanam. Bhum yantariksha divyanam. Grihanam. Vinivaranam. Grihanam. Vinivaranam. So again, the benefits continues. So sarvatra jayam apnoti. This person will attain jayam, victory, everywhere. Sarvatra, in whatever pursuits this person undertakes, such a person will experience victory. Sarvatra vijayi bhavet. Vijaya refers to success. Again, victory. So in all his endeavors, Sarvatra, he will experience victory or success. Bhumi Antariksha Divyanam. So be it in this worldly realm or Antariksha is the intermediate space. Divyanam, the outer, the higher space. Heavenly space, and then Grihanam. Here, Grihanam, we can equate it to the Navagrahas, not really the 9 planets. Here, whenever we refer to Graha, they are not really planets. All the celestial bodies that have an influence upon us. So, Vini Varanam. This chant will ward off all the evil effects or the ill effects, negative effects that one might face from all these realms, be it this worldly realm, intermediate space, all the grihas, all the ill effects of various sources. This chant has the power to ward off those ill effects. Let us chant. Sarvatra jayamapnoti. Sarvatra jayamapnoti. Sarvatra jayamapnoti. Sarvatra vijayi bhavet. Sarvatra vijayi bhavet. Sarvatra vijayi bhavet. भूम्यन्तरिक्ष दिव्यानां. भूम्यन्तरिक्ष दिव्यानां. भूम्यन्तरिक्ष दिव्यानां. गृहाणां विनिवारणं. गृहाणां विनिवारणं. गृहाणां विनिवारणं. सर्वत्र जयमाप्नोति. सर्वत्र विजयी भवेत्. सर्वत्र जयमाप्नोति. सर्वत्र विजयी भवेत्. सर्वत्र जयमाप्नोति. सर्वत्र विजयी भवेत्. भूम्यन्तरिक्ष दिव्यानां. गृहाणां विनिवारणं. भूम्यन्तरिक्ष दिव्यानां. गृहाणां विनिवारणं. भूम्यन्तरिक्ष दिव्यानां. गृहाणां विनिवारणं. Complete shloka. सर्वत्र जयमाप्नोति. सर्वत्र विजयी भवेत्. भूम्यन्तरिक्ष दिव्यानां. गृहाणां विनिवारणं. सर्वत्र जयमाप्नोति. सर्वत्र विजयी भवेत्. भूम्यन्तरिक्षदिव्यानां गृहाणां विनिवारणम् सर्वत्र जयमाप्नोति सर्वत्र विजयी भवेत् भूम्यन्तरिक्षदिव्यानां गृहाणां विनिवारणम्. Let's move on to the next shloka. Vrishchika. Vrishchika. This is vr. Vr followed by half sh and the full chi. So vrishchika. Vrishchika. Vrishchikoraga sambhuta. Vrishchikoraga sambhuta. Bha Mahaprana. Vrishchikoraga sambhuta. Vishapa. Vishapa. This is Murdanyasha. Vishapa. Haranam. Haranam. Param. Vrishchikoraga sambhuta. Vishapa. Haranam. Param. Brahma. Brahma. Rakshasa. Brahma Rakshasa. Yakshanam. Brahma Rakshasa. Yakshanam. Duro. The Dirgha Dhu. Durotsarana Karanam. Durotsarana Karanam. There is a half the here. Durotsarana Karanam. So here, more benefits of this chant. So this chant is the remedy for the poisons, the venom, the venomous influence of scorpions and snakes. Vrishchika. Vrishchika is scorpion. So it is the supreme remedy, param, supreme remedy to ward off the poisonous effects, the venomous influence of scorpions and snakes. It also drives away the evil spirits, Brahma Rakshasa and Yaksha. Durotsarana Karanam. This is the reason why all these dur spirits are staying away. A couple of examples given, Brahma Rakshasa and Yaksha. So as you can see, these benefits, the Phalashruti, just by reading, it's so easy to understand. No complicated words, very simple words, easy to understand. And also if you have chanted Kandasashti, some similar themes we can compare. Adiyanai Kandal, Alari Kalangida, Irisi Kateri, Tunba Senegadum. There it's also mentioned about Brahma Rakshadarum. So similar reference you can see here as well. Let us chant. Vrishchikoragasambhuta. 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 Vishapaharanam param. Vishapaharanam param. Vishapaharanam param. Brahma Rakshasa Yakshanam. Brahma Rakshasa Yakshanam. Brahma Rakshasa Yakshanam. Durotsarana Karanam. Durotsarana Karanam. Durotsarana Karanam. Vrishchikoragasambhuta. Vishapaharanam param. Vrishchikoragasambhuta. Vishapaharanam param. Vrishchikoragasambhuta. Vishapaharanam param. Brahma Rakshasa Yakshanam. Durotsarana Karanam. Brahma Rakshasa Yakshanam. Durotsarana Karanam. ब्रह्मराक्षसयक्षाणां दूरोत्सारणकारणम्. Complete shloka. वृश्चिकोरगसम्भूत विशापहरणं परं ब्रह्मराक्षसयक्षाणां दूरोत्सारणकारणम्. वृश्चिकोरगसम्भूत विशापहरणं परं ब्रह्मराक्षसयक्षाणां दूरोत्सारणकारणम्. वृश्चिकोरगसम्भूत विशापहरणं परं ब्रह्मराक्षसयक्षाणां दूरोत्सारणकारणम्. Let's chant the 4 shlokas today. Of today we'll chant together. Idam nrsimhakavacham प्रह्लादमुखमण्डितं भक्तिमान् यः पठेन्नित्यं सर्वपापैः प्रमुच्यते. पुत्रवान् धनवान् लोके दीर्घायुरुपजायते. यं यं कामयते कामं तं तं प्राप्नोत्यसंशयम्. सर्वत्र जयमाप्नोति सर्वत्र विजयी भवेत्. भूम्यन्तरिक्षदिव्यानां गृहाणां विनिवारणम्. वृश्चिकोरगसम्भूत विशापहरणं परं ब्रह्मराक्षसयक्षाणां दूरोत्सारणकारणम्. Gently close your eyes. Feel the vibrations of the chanting. Bring your hands to Namaskara. Let us conclude with the closing prayer. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaaya cha Nandagopakumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Let us take the blessings of Bhagavan Narasimha. Okay, open your eyes. Thank you for joining. We'll again continue tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.